Hey guys, today we are playing an obby. I already started, but I'm a pro, and a singer. Okay, I'm back because my recording, okay, so I typed in singer's name and it said it's too inappropriate. Wow, I didn't know that was inappropriate, but okay. By the way, my recording does not want me to make a video today. I'm sick. Great the video. Oh, I was about to do that already. I was like, I got mad. Why won't you make me? I'm mad, computer. But every time I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do it properly. Sometimes it says the recording has stopped, and it is so annoying. It is like, girl, can I just make a video? But I just been busy all week. 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks I've been off of YouTube? God, no idea. But if I don't fit, I will make another video, of course, if my recording does well. Ooh, they know where I like. Did I do the Fortnite one? Did I? Remember, it's just a hobby. I'm just making sure that I'm not going along. But yeah, are my songs by the yes. Yeah. Everybody sees me. Say hi. Oh, she failed. She failed. Haha. I knew I could. Somebody did. Copying off of me. Jeez. Really? Oh! How in the what? How? Oh my goodness. Okay. Really? No. Can I type? Thank you. Hello. Anyone? Hola. Oh, Spanish. Oh. You can see the anger on my face. Despacito. Oh, girl, you come over here. That one is. Oh. What? What? I'll go. You guys, the anger in me. Just building up inside. Oh yay! I have a way. Oh. What? Roblox is giving me I love Roblox. Oh, there's a Mr. Stand-Up. No, it's not Santa. It's Santa Claus. Goodness gracious. Do they know about Santa Claus? Give him the proper name. Oh, I was almost close, ladies and gentlemen. You know what? I do not want to pause my recording because I know it will crash any second if I unpause it. Oh man. Really? Hey, I can't read. I can't read. I do have a cold. You know, guys, I will be right back because it's gonna be so short for you guys, and yeah. So I'm okay. I am back after 10,000 years. It took quite a while. If I hear that one more time, I swear I'm gonna be like, girl. Oh, hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Hey. Wait, what's her name, Teddy? No. Oh. No. What? It's so easy, you know. Easy. They know I'm a singer. That's why they are. They probably hate my guts. I smile on my face means I'm upset too. Oh, sorry. I keep on like, I don't even know. What's there? Okay. They lucky that I'm not blind. Oh, they try to trick you, you know. Can't fall for it because you gotta be savage at some point. Be like, I see them. Are these trees? Are these? They might be trees. No one would never know. Oh, I have this cold and it's so terrible right now. What even is my life? I just love Bobby. I'm so upset right now. Oh, no. My favorite. Red. Pepper too. Hey, red. The man was like red and black. Blue. Green. Trick me. Ooh. Okay, so these are We know it's all. Gonna be red, isn't it? So it was green, red. I do not remember easily. I forget a lot of things. Okay, so I am like I have a cold, and I'm kind of losing my voice, so it's probably not a good idea to be making a video. But who cares, right? Am I right? Am I right? I know I'm right. Oh, 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 oh. Let's go this way. That way. Go that way. This way. No. Does she think I am? Wait, is it a boy? Oh. You know, like in the Sims 3, there's there's a penguin tweet thing if somebody plays Sims, you know, they will know what I'm talking about. Oh, like that part just scares me for some reason. Creepy. I don't know. And I know I'm the cringiest thing on earth, so whole fudge cakes. I'm going to make it to 100 in 1 minute or even less. Ready? Go. You know what? I rage quit. Like, I made it this far. I'm already at 80. Ugh. I can't make it any farther. Girl. Like, I can't get past through. Look. Death. Oh no, now you can see now you can see the thing. Okay. Look. I cannot. It's so late. Very late. Like, why to be inappropriate? Like, it's my name, girl. Gee, you stupid. They have to get used to it, you know? Better sing. So. I do not know anymore. So, I missed all the guests. Back in the old days, we had guests. Okay, so if this is the end of the video, if you made it to the end of the video, congratulations, you don't even get a prize. But if you like it, leave a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, because we are cool, right? I don't know. I'm such a noob at things again on Roblox. Like, probably everybody knows how to do that, but I know, apparently. So yeah, I'm very, very, very weird. So yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up.